Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Caveman Mining. This video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of the 3060 light hash rate card from EAGLE. And this card is something I picked up from my local micro center. It is a version 2 card. There's not a lot of them out there being showcased for mining and showing different algorithms. So I'm going to start this video with just a simple unboxing just to showcase the card itself. And yeah, we'll probably have some more videos for testing on different algorithms. So without further ado, I'm going to morph us upstairs and we'll take a look at that card. Yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to this opening of the box and showcasing this card for you. So I mentioned this morning that I went to Micro Center, kind of gambled a little bit, was hoping to get a card. And interestingly enough, for anyone that gets their cards through Micro Center, I know traditionally in the past they did a first come, first serve. First one in line basically gets dibs on whatever cards they have. So they no longer do that. What they do is at 9 o'clock, they give out basically a table, or they have this little easel with a QR code on it that you scan with your phone, and then you pull up a website, and basically you're in a lottery. So they pick randomly, anyone that does this lottery, it's random. Today I actually didn't win the lottery. I wasn't chosen first, but there were a lot of people that were not patient, or they scanned their QR codes and they just simply didn't return when their numbers were called. So there was actually an excess amount of cards from the lottery that were available. So they ended up providing a set amount of people that were still there physically waiting for the card. They threw them back into the lottery. So I was lucky enough to be patient and win this card. So let's get to it. So yeah, basically for me, in terms of my mining methodology or thoughts on mining, is that I'm looking for not a pretty or a uniform mining rig. If I was rich or I had money to expand or extend, I would probably not care so much about going to Micro Center. I would be buying cards scalped or on eBay, and with that, some people pay 2 times the price just to have a uniform rig. Well, yeah, cost matters to me. So I was able to get this card just over $400 retail. So even mining Raven coin, I'm looking at around a 200-day return on investment right now, just the way the market is going. Again, I'll say this in my channel because I haven't said it yet. Anything that I showcase or I go over, I am never going to give you financial advice. Everything is at your own risk. Obviously, I will tell you what works for me, what the rest of the community is saying. But again, I will never advise you to do or not to do. You need to make that decision for yourself. We will do the infamous peel, and I hope the quality is good. Again, I'm in my home, so the lighting may not be the best. You'll see the cool thing about with this particular card is only one PCIe power connector. So in terms of expandability or efficiency in terms of your power supply, pretty good. It's not the thickest or the biggest of the cards. So here we go for the peel. And it's not a clean peel. Should be video titled Peel for Noobs. Okay. So the seal has been broken on this card, and we'll leave those plugs for now. So yeah, pretty cool looking card. It's got a gray backplate. It's got the blue marketing for the EAGLE Gigabit. So yeah, we'll see how this thing actually mines. I think probably we'll look at this from putting it on a test bench, not throwing it on a rig per se right away, to see how it performs. We'll try different algorithms. We'll do a video just for that. And yeah, take some suggestions. Let me know out there in the community what you guys are mining with 3060s. Do you have this particular one? Do you have variations? And also, let me know your thoughts on the revision 2. So this is, again, a light hash rate card. It is nerfed for mining Ethereum. So I believe if we mine with HiveOS, we could probably squeeze out 35 to 37 mega hash using the driver updates and such. So that's a possibility. Ergo is also pretty decent, and Ravencoin as well. So yeah, let me know out in the community what you guys are mining on your 3060s, whether it's multiple cards, if it's a whole rig, or if it's just a single rig. I'm interested to know what is going on in the community. So overall, a pretty cool looking card. For me personally, buying on price, great price. There were some 3080 Ti's and some other cards that were kind of up there in price, that it just didn't make sense for me from a return on investment perspective. And also, I want to start looking at very power efficient cards. So no matter what algorithm this card has running, we can pretty much run this, at a decent wattage. So just want to keep that in mind as well. So yeah, I'm going to cut the video here, guys. Again, thanks for taking the time to be with me. Again, just showcasing the Gigabit EAGLE 3060 card. And I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll hopefully see you next time. Take care.